So, welcome back children. We are back with the chapter 4 multiplication. Topics are multiplying by 10, 100, 1000, multiplying by 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on, multiplying by 200, 300 and so on. Worksheet page number 59 will be covered in this video number 5. So, let us see how to multiply by 10, 100, 1000. When multiplying a number by 10, we simply write 1 0 on the right side. If you have a number, for example, 5 into 10, what you have to do is that, how many zeros there? Just 1 0. 5 into 1 is 5. You write on the right side, just put 1 0. That's all. I'll give you one more example. That is 9 into 10. We have just 1 0. You put here, and 9 into 1 is 9. This is how we put 0 at the end of the number. Now, let's move on to the next one. When multiplying a number by 100, we simply put 2 zeros to the right side of the number. Let's take another number, 5 into 100. Now, how many zeros we have? Here, 2 zeros. 5 into 1 is 5. And how many zeros? 2 zeros you put on the right side of the number. Let's take another example. 8 into 100. 8 into 1, 8. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. You have to put 2 zeros at the end to the right side of the number. Now, let's move on to the next one. When multiplying a number by 1000, we simply put 3 zeros to the right side of the number. Let's do an example. 5 into 1000. 5 into 1 is 5. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. You will put to the right side of the number. 5000. Whenever you have a 4-digit number, you have to separate with comma. We'll do another example. 7 into 1000. 7 into 1 is 7. And how many zeros? 3 zeros. You will put to the right side of the number. So, get the answer 7000. Just very simple, right? Now, let's move on to the next numbers. Multiplying by 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So, to multiply a number by 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on, write a 0 in ones place, multiply the remaining numbers. First, what you have to do, in ones place you have to put, how many zeros there? Just 1 0. Just put 1 0 over there. Now, you have to multiply the remaining numbers. Remaining numbers means 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. You get the answer 60. Next question, 4 into 30. How many zeros? Just 1 0. You just put in ones place, that is right side of the number. Now, 4 3s are, it's 12. So, we'll write here 12. So, the answer is 120. I'll give you another example. 5 into 20. Now, how many zeros here? Just 1 0. Now, multiplying the remaining numbers, 5 into 2 is 10. So, you get 100. Hope you have understood. Now, let's move on to the next one. Multiplying by 200, 300, 400, 500 and so on. To multiply a number by 200, 300 and so on numbers, write 2 zeros in ones and tens place and multiply the remaining numbers. Let's see. Example 3 into 200. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. You have to put that 2 zeros in ones place 1 0 and in tens place 1 0. And multiply the remaining numbers. 3 2s are 6. You get 600 over here. Now 4 into 300. So what's the answer? How many zeros? 2 zeros. Now multiplying the remaining numbers, 4 3s are 12. Now the answer is 1200. I'll give you another example. 5 into 200. Now how many zeros over here? 2 zeros, and 5 2s are 10. So you get the answer 1000. So let's do some questions. First question, 20 into 30. Now you will multiply 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. How many zeros are there? 1 2. So you get the answer 600. Second question, 40 into 70. Now how much is 4 7s are 28. You will write 28 here. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. We'll put 2 zeros to the right side of the number. Now the answer is 2800 is the answer. Now let's do another question. 300 into 20. Now look, 3 into 2 is 6. Now count how many zeros are there? 2 and 1. So 2 plus 1, 3 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3. Just put that 3 zeros to the right side. So the answer is 6000. Let's do another question. 8,000 into 4. 8,000 into 4. Multiply 8 into 4. You get 32. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Separate with comma, you get 32,000. Another example, 400 into 400. Now here you have to multiply the numbers. 4 4s are 16. Write 16. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Now how to put comma? Ones, tens, hundreds. Separate. 1,000, 10,000, lakhs. These are just examples I have shown you. You don't have a 6-digit numbers to study in this class. Just introduce, that's all. 6th question. Now 900 into 20. Now look, 9 into 2 is 18. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So get the answer 18,000. I hope everyone have understood. You have to multiply the remaining numbers and count the number of zeros and put to the right side. Is that clear for you? That's all for the class today. Have a nice day. Thank you.